What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JB, back with a new video. To my return subscribers, welcome back to the channel as always. For new people watching this video, if you like what you see or learn something new, hit the like button, subscribe below. I'm dropping the latest content, always fire every week, so you definitely don't want to miss that. 2018 was a crazy year. I think a pair of Yeezys dropped every single month, if not one, probably 2 or 3. And I ain't gonna lie, my bank account is still suck. Today's video is gonna be my top Yeezys of 2018. A lot of people I know been asking me about this topic, like, Jay, what you think? What's the hottest Yeezys? It's only right that I make a video of it. I feel like I wasted enough of you guys' time talking. Let's get straight to it. So to kick off my list, we're gonna start with the semi-frozen yellow Yeezy Boost 350 V2. This pair of shoes I wanted to get last year, but I couldn't get it because it was the most limited Yeezys ever. Every stock in December, and I just had to have it. You guys already know I'm a fan of loud shoes. I love how it pops. And this color to me, the neck breaker, you already know my style. Some of y'all probably think because I have so much Yeezys, I like everything that Ye does to them, which is not really true because this gum bottom right here, this ain't it, chief. I feel like this shoe would have been good with a full clear bottom. Even though I'm not the biggest fan of the gum bottom, I can't even lie. This shoe is still OD. I feel like anytime Ye puts the zebra pattern on another pair of Yeezys, it's automatically fire to me. Next up is the Yeezy 500 Blush, aka the Desert Rats. Some of y'all called it Mud Rats before, but it's whatever you guys want to call it. This was really something that changed the game. I feel like when it first came out, not everybody was a fan of it, but I felt like I needed something different. I got tired of 350s, and this shoe is different. It's really clean, has a nice tan beige colorway, real smooth. The material on this is fire. You have nice hits of suede, nice hits of leather. The whole upper is 3M. I'll show you guys a picture of that. I'm not one to pay a lot for dad shoes. I know there's like others like Balenciagas and stuff going for like almost a band, but at $200 to start dad shoe and it's Yeezy, I took the chance. Next shoe on my list is the Yeezy Boost 700 Mauve colorway. This shoe is probably the most slept on Yeezy of 2018. A lot of people saw Kanye rocking them months earlier, like, I need that, I need that. When it came out, it didn't sell out. One thing about me is if the shoe is limited or it's not, I don't really play into the hype. If it sells out, if it doesn't sell out, if I want this shoe, I'm definitely gonna get it. I feel like one thing about this shoe is that you can wear with literally anything, and I've done it before. I can even throw the shoes on right here with this Babe hoodie, and it's gonna be a flex. I'm really a fan of the 700s. It's kind of like my favorite model right now, but I urge you guys, do not sleep on the shoe. It's gonna be heat. Trust me on that one. My next pair of shoes is insane. These shoes, probably one of the craziest drops of the year, but honestly, it's not my number one. I'm probably gonna be like, yo, JB, take a drug test right now. But don't worry, hear me out, I'm gonna explain myself. This shoe is none other than the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Static Reflective. This shoe right here is special, man. Like, this, when it comes to design, this gotta be the top 350 of the year, no cap. You have a whole 3M upper, inside, outside, on the laces. And one of my favorite features about this shoe is it has this see-through window right here. I never seen an Yeezy design like this, and honestly, maybe like 350s again. I already told you guys, 350s, I got tired of them. They weren't really my thing. I have so many restocks, which is one of the reasons why I don't have a 350 at number one. This next shoe I want to show you guys is the Yeezy Boost 700 V2 Static. I cannot lie to you guys right now. I can't even describe this shoe in words. This shoe will have to be probably one of my top shoes, Nike, Adidas of 2018. I love this whole Static series that Kanye brought out with the reflective uppers. This whole shoe has a reflective material as well as on the laces. And with the 700s, they're like my favorite dad shoe because they're really comfortable. I'm gonna drop a video reviewing these shoes because honestly, I can't capture everything in this video. This shoe is really, really sick. And if you're a fan of 700s like how I am, this is gonna be a must for you. And for the top Yeezy of the year, I'm pretty sure you already know what it is. Y'all probably watched my video right now like, where's the 700s at? Where's the Wave Runners? You guys can relax. I didn't forget those shoes. The top Yeezy model of 2018 was the Yeezy Boost 700 Wave Runner. This is probably a no-brainer to anybody watching this video. This shoe is iconic, yo. Like, the detail on the shoe, the colorway, is one of a kind. You can wear it with anything. I'm pretty sure everybody has this shoe because this is that go-to shoe. This was actually my first dad shoe and my first non-350 Yeezy. So this pretty much made me open the 500s and like the other 700s, like the Moth and Static. I can't put another colorway over this because this is the OG. This is what started the new wave of Yeezys. And I ain't gonna lie, I love these shoes. Well guys, that wraps up my list of the top Yeezys in 2018. Want to let you guys know I didn't forget the Zebra. The Zebras were my top Yeezy last year, so I didn't add it in this video. But I want to know what you guys think. What are your top Yeezys? Do you feel like I should have added something to the list? Do you think I should remove something? Were you feeling the shoes on the countdown? Did you actually cop? Just let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, want to see more videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe below. Also, make sure you turn on post notifications so you don't miss any heat. I'm going to be dropping some new videos, like I said, weekly. Next video I'm going to do is my review on the Statics. You don't want to miss that. Thank you for watching. As always, JB out. Peace.